Since we have this bracket over here, we're gonna make this part over here that we can see over on the pure. So it seems like both of these parts are joined together, I mean one part. So let's start it. It seems like they're part of the same part but also not in the same part, so yeah, we have to take care of that. We're just gonna copy that whole line, that vertical line. Delete the extra edges. I'll grab on that. Just extrude it straight. Okay, we didn't extrude it, we just GZ'd it. Um, let's extrude it over there. Nice. Now extrude it over in the mids. Plane SY0 with active element on. A EY. A shift M. Shade smooth. There we go. Subdivide. Now we're just gonna give it boundaries. After isolation, let's work on that. Work on this.